Hey fans, I'm Chef TD.
And I'm Kid Troy.
And today we've got a wonderful surprise for you. What we've been working on for months is finally here. Tell them what we got, Troy.
The moment you've been waiting for, Gourmet Meals with Grade School Skills. By me, Kid Troy.
Oh yeah, we've got the wonderful Cooking with Kid Troy recipes in this book right here. Show them what we got.
All right, here we go.
This book is a fun, family, interactive cookbook. It's got 20 dessert recipes and 20 entree recipes. On the left side is the recipe itself. The right side, you can create your own recipe. We've got a sanitation section, and we also have trivia. There's also some fun facts inside.
Wow, this is my first cookbook. To order it, click the link in the description.
Wow, Dad, this book has a lot of information.
Oh yeah, this book is a wonderful little interactive cookbook. It is a fun, family, interactive cookbook designed for families and the kids to get involved in the kitchen and learn sanitation, recipe development. You can even write your own recipes inside this book. It's got the recipes from the Cooking with Kid Troy show. This book, I tell you, is wonderful. The prices range depending on which website you get it from, but it ranges between $30 and $40, but it's definitely worth the value. Oh my God, this book is amazing.
And we're also in time for the holidays.
Absolutely, man. Get your book for Christmas, or you can get it before Christmas if you want to. I got mine now because I'm telling you we're gonna be using this. But hey, wait a minute, we use these all the time, don't we?
Yeah.
We know about recipes, so we're good. We're good. All right, so I bid you adieu. Get your Kid Troy cookbook, Gourmet Meals with Grade School Skills by Kid Troy.
Me.
Oh yeah. See you guys later.
Peace.
Bye.
Click the link in the description to order.